Hi everyone! Good evening! For today's video, magmamarinate yung asawa ko ng isda. Yan. Ito daw yung fish. Oh my God. First time ko makakita ng isda na ganito. Apo tula ulo, hindi atakbo. Oh my goodness. Ayan ang isda. Oh my goodness. Tapos, nandito daw yung ulo. Ang ulo, what's the look of the face of the fish? Can you show me? Pawis na pawis si Daddy. First time kong makakain ng ganitong isda. What's this? It's the egg, no? But it can be eaten yummy. In the soup, it's yummy. Gigil na pagka, hiwa eh. Kasi matigas, so, yan siya.
What is that?
Oh, tomato. What's this? Ketchup and mayonnaise.
Garlic.
Garlic?
Red paprika.
Nak, you will be aching-aching na. Wait. Oh.
Sweet paprika.
What? Red paprika and sweet paprika?
Pepper.
Again?
Black pepper.
Okay. Okay.
This one.
Don't make chili, because me and
I
Nicole are
don't know
eating.
what this call it. It's like palm. Dry palm.
Okay. Magic sarap.
It's like magic syrup.
Yeah. No, dede. Still alive. And you will keep it outside.
I will keep it overnight.
Yeah. Outside.
Yeah.
So that it will be. And we will cook it lunchtime.
Tomorrow we
Yeah,
will cook
tomorrow.
for the lunch.
Ayan na siya, ready for tomorrow. Marinated. Minarinate namin for overnight.